Did you know that south of Lake Garda in Italy there is a small village full of history, a hidden gem that is a must visit for any traveler who happens to be in the area? Let's talk about it, but before, watch folks, I'm Lawrence and my aim is to show you many places around the world from my curious human perspective. Before I start, help me to grow this project, snap me a like and subscribe. And it was with my curiosity that I found this little gem by chance in the past. To be precise, in 2021, when I visited the Verona area. At that time it was spring. It was cool, but I was really curious to see this place during my favorite season, the spooky one. The leaves burnt with autumn colors, the cloudy sky made the light soft, just the way I like it, so I was thrilled. It was my first day on the road after a very long period of settling in. Traveling again was a breath of fresh air, so first I started to explore the beautiful little village. As you can see, the gastronomic tradition here is deeply felt. The village is filled with small restaurants or delicatessen. There is also a beautiful legend about the famous typical tortellini of Valleggio. It is said that the waters of the Minch river are filled with beautiful nymphs who, because of a terrible curse, have been condemned to look like horrible hags. They usually come to visit this village when everyone is asleep, but one day our protagonist, Malco, woke up and, struggling against one of them, discovered their secret and fell in love with one of these beautiful creatures, Sylvia, who before returning to his kingdom gave him her tenderly knotted handkerchief. The next day, while Malco, captain of the guards, was at the court of Count of Virtue, he recognized Sylvia in one of the dancing girls, but unfortunately their loving glances aroused the jealousy of Isabella, who denounced the beautiful nymph as a witch. Malco rescued her but was imprisoned. The night, however, Isabella presented herself to Malco asking for forgiveness, and when Sylvia returned to rescue her lover, Isabella convinced the guard not to pursue the couple. Sylvia and Malco thus decided that their happiness together lay in the magical kingdom of the nymphs among the waters of the Minch river, and before diving into the muddy waters they left the golden handkerchief tenderly knotted on the river bank. This is why tortellini are made like this, like handkerchief. It's a good story, isn't it? There is also another very important place I want to show you, but first let's go back to the spring of 2021 with this drone shot. Borghetto is also beautiful from above. You may have noticed from the footage that at the edge of the small village stands another really important piece of history, the famous Visconti Bridge, a fortified dam built by Gian Galeazzo Visconti between 1393 and 1395. Every time I visit this place I have to take a walk here and try to steal some shots through the windows. From here you can see all the village from above. It was a beautiful day. Borghetto is really recommended. My quick exit, unfortunately the day had come to an end. I had no choice but to return to the hotel in Pozzolengo, but I was happy because I had realized something really important, namely that if you want to go and live in a wonderful new world, you have to understand how to look through the veil of a hug. Hello folks, thank you very much for reaching the end card and for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Welcome to 2024. This is the second video of 2024, but it's the first time that I say hello to you in the end card, and this is the first video of the new series about Garda Lake. So stay connected because the next week there will be a new video that will be amazing about Sirmione. I can't wait to show you, also because there is a legend inside, of course, and I have a lot of legends about Garda Lake. I'm very happy about it. Anyway, see you next week, and as always, cheers!